Pesa me catch say ade na ekoso no say NDC for match bi na even wo mo kura bu Mahama say ochen ebini Mahama ka akwantimfi Ghana for mo nye nipa mo dwene ene Sam George we hen ye ka so obi e jandama a guy name of propaganda wo pe wo mo share propaganda ase and the guy name Eddie Jandama enye NDC ahwanya
abusi Ohene ba David ene NDC ene Mahama abe class hard one once sem enche bia ene Africa can do nya demonstrations against the American government concerning Ibrahim Traore yes America for person omu ebe to share no so edini bone no on the Africa nyina eta wo machi e ma Ghana for so kra no demonstration e wo ha support Ibrahim Traore no awo he Ghana demonstration mu ye na say NDC for the dimuntintiman no Ohene ba David abake kana dwa kire NDC for pay ebe bia Mahama ana wo he LGBTQ me Trumu Trumu a ekoso Ghana on say na nsem video ba na say kofi Trumu Trumu awo be video kwado say na ni wi aso so kunu na de no Ohene ba David kire say Trumu Trumu ekoso nyina de yemfa sobo no emmo Mahama enye wo bia na ensem Ohene ba David abake ka kire Mahama de busia enya asem kuma aha ye Penyah Brock Media mesra say na di mo obe like keep it down obo subscribe to me somebody click the notification icon of latest update na ba kire wa dwen de ama me e wo comment section mesra say obaso na shebire mo fro so enya bi ahwe eti ade a trend called Google and all social media handles ade a trend ba ko the name Ibrahim Traore Burkina Faso ne nyina ye tension abeda oman ni mu America for person Ibrahim Traore or step it down as a military leader na omu efa democratic way edit you see president Ibrahim Traore is on step it down and on your adwin say obe switch oman from autocracy to democracy because of that no America for too many esi Burkina Faso so ayese obe say omfa kwan bia so eliminate Ibrahim Traore but as because of that no last week in the there were a whole lot of demonstrations across Africa continent obia a true support ama Ibrahim Traore now back here that particular demonstration e because e wa Ghana ha Ghana is ohwemu a rough any those NDC campaigns omu lead those useless demonstrations stop Galamsey occupy be those useless demonstrations no na those NDC campaigns omu na say Ibrahim Traore edwon je kwaso Ghana omu dimuntintimai so mo ja Ghana how hono dwene obi ha ho no ana Ohene ba David abekire say Kwasia sempa Kwasia sem na NDC for me demonstration omu bu Mahama yese bo ya bu abi kura
abaya bi na etie mu no Nigeria fo abegu Ghana from painful ayo madwen se nantwibini na girigiro mutim obianfo bia ho na oman ya yemfa mo anya hwe yemfa nua anya hwe yemu nsuo yemu netie na mo nkra madwen mu da ho na yebebu musen enti na anwene mo so no man we san kwasasem bi ntimi mfa ne ho ene me say opa mo a omo si Libya kwan so mon koye investigations sa Ghana de any journalists ho wo mo nyina da na reactors video bi ba normal react message bi ba normal react ho news bi be ba normal react keke ye nya journalist for papa bia mo makogina kwa makohwe won mo magitwi eko Libya no kona hwe kokohwe se obehu Burkina fo se o mo ka ho a me na o ka say Burkina stop ni nkrofo nyina maintenance bi kwa adwuma bu construction ekoso no momfa ma ho ode meboa me enko road construction ho infrastructure ekoso no enne adwuma Burkina na aka ne nkofo agum se afuo ye bedo afuo ye bedo no baye ye pesa mo ka ha mo nya aduane mo benya makatua timihwe mudin onipa da sene ho ode ne se ye se NDC se yenko victory walk no odim Traore ena enne nkofo machema no this is the time I see you rally behind this man because ye benya nipa bi say no Ghana de ye ni bi Jerry John Rawlings or misuse no and kasata no time I say go hye Ghana de ko ne yediem ena no so otewo for de sa Ghana ye benya leader ba ko te se ne ye hwehwe ene Ghana fo na atiem ne say so what is statistics na eba enu achi na o mokenkan no yes, majority of Ghanaians, about 51, what the infant say, actually 51% of Ghanaians say, dear, omu nijidie was a banya eba konum. Nanko mubenya, nanka Ghana no, a soja bany ediso. The same thing as say about Becana no pay, won't ye? As say, Tino.
Yeah, protecting Ibrahim Traore. It's a Kasano. Yeah, one Africa, one united Africa. It's a Abraham Traore, yeah, the united president of the whole of Africa.
Sanka mojo Mahama ibaye. Watua na mo bia wote nka se nka encourage woman na say so promising na this woman will never come and stand on in front of camera make say no, we need one when na say crowd yenko protect then obuwe say besa me catch say ade na ekoso no send this for match bi na even wo mo kura bujo Mahama say ochen ebini ade bi akoso ma me fansia me mo we bi video we me nto aso me yi kura free me yi so
ana obeka ya yenko back kakra 2025 beko about Trumu Mahama on campaign time ebeka so LGBTQ no e was about intimacy if say Ghana ye believe any morals actually say homosexuality ni gayism there lesbianism any gayism ye nyuntum
me twa tokra na say say ade a friend no LGBTQ plus ade a ya safu penyi any yenuanom Muslim for imams obia kabo mu say ade a yempe if you say any yemra ya mamre enko
it's about intimate sign Emma o committee the clergy no osaka is nebo time senka aku for the bible timi assign anti LGBTQ plus bill no.
As you said, the issue of LGBTQ is still an issue that is pending, and it is our hope that this president will sign the bill. But if he doesn't sign it, the bill will expire, and it means that the next parliament must look at it again. And of course, like I said, we're not people who promote that kind of attitude. The Bible is very clear on issues like that, and so we'll continue to remain faithful to our spiritual guidance and do the things that are necessary to do.
Nanka any dance say Trumu Trumu aban etwemu. Ti say that this particular bill NDC and the parliament. Egu for aban ansan all because aban ni chire mu say Ghana ha yensan emre bia edutum say ya ti ase obi ni nutum yensan emre bia ejegu fa tese yensan emre bia de adan na ne mo de emre bi ba say mo de ba chire concern ye monsan asise din kan ba emre bi say ya jetum ejaban na ansan ayes no ye din yenya emre bia ese ya jetum yenya emre say ya jetum dia ne what law again any hu nya useless but this a pushy ya enya support from Ghana for as almost pushy enya support every Ghana Emma Sam Joy kwa a demonstration against the government MPP government.
I want to thank every one of you who have come from far and near to send a message to the Chief Justice, the Judicial Service, and the Attorney General of Ghana. We have presented our petitions. The voice of the people is the voice of God. They must listen because sovereignty resides in the people of the Republic, and they exercise that power on our behalf. They must do as we want and as our people demand. We thank all church leaders, all traditional leaders, all imams, all persons of faith, all people irrespective of their political affiliation, of their ethnic background, who have shown up here. Thank you for making a statement. The revolution has started. We will protect the innocence of our children, and we will fight against any influence of LGBTQ, comprehensive sexuality education, or homosexuality in our country. We will not allow for same-sex marriage to be in our country. The will of Parliament, which is the express desire of the people of Ghana, must be respected.
Part of LGBTQ plus people or ye gay.
I heard President Akufo-Addo saying that he wants to hear you say something on Galamsey. Clearly the president has been sleeping. You have spoken loud and clear on Galamsey. But Mr. President Akufo-Addo, as the representative of Ningo Pram Pram, the people of Ghana want to hear what your view is on the LGBTQ bill that is before you. Say something and sign it. Mr. President, you are beginning to appear as a supporter of LGBTQ. The people of Ghana and the people of Ningo Pram do not want it. So President Akufo-Addo, it has been 8 months since Parliament passed the legislation. Sign it or tell the people what your stance is on LGBTQ. We know the stance of President Mahama. We don't know your stance. Tell us what your stance is.
Some don't ekasaipa. Emono sa person warning to Mahama say Mahama ba abem no ansanya. Oh hu ni ye. Oh nya asumdwe from no some George.
Lastly, on the LGBT issues, I mean, if you get a nod, how far would you hope to push it? The president, your candidate, when he was interviewed on the BBC, he said he would now look into what is in that bill.
You know, that's a misconception that's been put out. And I listened to that full BBC interview. President Mahama has been clear that he will sign that bill, and he has no option than to sign that bill. President Mahama will know no peace from Sam George until he signs that bill. And he himself has said that to the clergy, that as a Christian, as a member of the Assemblies of God Church, he will sign that bill.
But interesting that Mahama Bayan also meeting the clergy exactly 14th January 2025. Or meeting the clergy, I don't know what can I say. Instead of say signing anti-LGBTQ plus bill, no, other than a young fan church school money as on them any film say nya enye ese akora obey gay and obey lesbianism.
But it leads us back to the discussion we had that if we're teaching our values in school, we won't need to pass a bill to enforce, our family values. And that's why I think more than even the family values bill is us agreeing on a curriculum that inculcates these values into our children as they are growing up, so that we don't need to legislate it. And so we'll see how all this goes. And so I'm looking forward to this review conference to come to some consensus on some of these issues.
What I say, yes, or buy any day. As one of Gufado can be a Mahama Eken, essay. Ghana yen rebia a jitum see obinegi. There's no need to pass any bill. But end this one, yes, but Mahama Bedo or Trumu said, young fan church, a cocoa segu for a small kind of the Malaysian we are useless. Any mono, and same the video trendy as a coffee Trumu Trumu. I own your movie, a popular on the internet. I say, oh, just in a Nicra New Year's over so cool near the Adego and Biana de Pino, a whole lot. Or you know what David Etra said, I dear way in no. Young fast suborno, ever Mahama. Now, and someone about David, I can catch Mahama Palusia and wash it.
Na yanka wansem because me ni adaje and me be lines na tum me ba jo mo sa abrantie we amefa no to kese na mo we enura na video bi circulate ma me hwe mo amotie me no ECOWAS allows free migration and trade within member state and say the seas of excavators are taking back their own, saying it is order from above. The seas excavators are taking back to their owners. I think we the citizens, I think we the citizens are the part of the reason why we have bad leaders, because we are allowing them to do whatever they want to do without any resistance. And that on Pacho Yanko Abanti we asem. So enra video bi because mpese me busa nipa dodo a mobile me penipa me ensa pe mon confirm me mama na me hu video bi because eya Abanti ye oda hoyi senra mo hwe bia ya frɛ me senko fi ewe de me ye Trumu Trumu ya frɛ me senko fi me ye den Trumu Trumu ye den Trumu Mpacho mahu sa video ni bi me penipa me ensa mon confirm me yes or no. Abanti ya oda ho no ma mo hwe no ye mane fi ni tum se on shake ni to onye ne ho sei emanti bi ne kokoche no ntimi pese me confirm from you say mu video ni bia na mu hu na me fa nkama sem tentem ne enko or say yes I watch it, thank you so much Kani Ata me da say Haji Aba Musafa or say yes ono so Roberta or Mary or so hu odi asempa say yes set anim or say I am late but it is better than okay no na nanta kra hene si hu, thank you so much Abanti na ne ye bonyo mama na nra on hwehwe ne hwa boneto ne Trumu ne to abobɔ kakra na owo so ne to say boys bi na bonyo ma no e no ma che no e hye ho no in fact omo ha na dwene mame mo video no hwese me hu video ne de nyasa me bo a kire time na omo bu no debi me nyasa ba muntie one ne maame asem kitua bi o ka hye atie bi
for some mombo am Cause me we are saying me debut. We are saying me dem pese me kume ho. Cause upia bontina kwa na dey search lecture so nya pra no ni nya pra no ni. Ti we are saying me dem yes sampa ko gina ka kwem maka abom ya mawu. We are saying me debut. Second of us mombo me. Cause me we are saying me debut. We are saying me dem pese me kume ho. Cause upia bontina kwa na dey search lecture so nya pra no ni nya pra no ni. Ti we are saying me dem yes sampa ko gina ka kwem maka abom ya mawu. We are saying me debut.
Monhwe boy ya oti ho no ma okasai. Asemi nyina nsa nra. Wa narrating the story ni nyina e wa sa video mimi nya daje mmo. O kire say ohonom na nadamfo bi frɛ no. Nadamfo no frɛ nso onkonkogya ne baabi. Onkonkogya ne baabi no mokɔ ya kokopie baabi a omaduru kwan bi ano aboy ni yiki na o se aso no se o. Me begya me befa de wo me bra o se me wo fa ne dem. Anti o de yenko. Ena was o nipa no so obi a onim no ena nipa no esan se obi onim no ka kire nse omonko edem na onkogya na man nkofa de one bra ene wo fa dem no was o sa na okan all right o maka omuru adem ho no ma mrante ni se wo ye Trumu ya fa iron ye hiti ni ebeka no anya ye de betare wo ye de behyew ye beye osei ene ade etumi ema enura video no hu awrebe ho yama boy ye butu ho na ye bonnwoma no wo ye den ye frɛ wo sen kofi wo ye den me yege ye frɛ wo sen kofi wo ye den me yege na o ma se onwo so no to na o so no to sei na ye de na butu akonwam na me se wo hwa awre ho adentia mo John Mahama na mo kofa ne bae ni sunsanso na ye koso no because adena e just two things wo nye Kwasia president ya nipa no wo bae na obi ya prepare you know e de ato wo se Trumu bail ni yan yintum ana ye beji atum asofo nyina sole ekufo do pension nyina ehu bi wo nipa na wo fa na wo ye campaign ma wo from start to end Kevin Taylor na wo se senka wo na wo te akonwa so a John Mahama wo ye straightforward man na wo de wo besi nipi enka wo be sign bill no John Dramani Mahama bae na anu ada ye busa ne gain sensem obi odi aye campaign a wo no kra kan me de me Assemblies of God ni ye de ye nye sei ene ye de ye nye se afi de wo ba beduri na ye kokobusa na oh na senka ye kire ye mayor mu school mu morals how morals and dear ben dignity and me no ka say na wadane de kobrofo akese enka hu hia say ye beba say ye be pe bill bi na ye san ana say ye nsan ka hu hia ye nya say ye be kire ye man morals ni ye no na ye nya kese amam na me no ka say John Mahama ka akwantimfi Ghana for mo nye nipa mo dwene ai mo dwene nketenkete sa akokɔ clitoris nti me ka kire mo Ghana David Maka MM abrante fan ye wo hoi se ye sign bill no wo Ghana enka na dwene mu enka obetumi aka say ye sign bill bi aka say Ghana ha de Trumu lai president ni nse secret aso sign se sei abaya mara enti ye nie tunum one wuntumi nya saa de no ha emobi ahu bia ye nso ba atare mo a mo portray mo ho se mo ye ma enso mo ye mema no ni nyina bia etia mra nanka obi ada no ho so o man no John Mahama is failing and I've been telling you this we're failing in advance and see John Mahama can never ever pass a bill against Trumu and you know we sinipi and anko watimi sign bibi e de ato wono ma enka no ade e koso nkenkoso sesei eye ndipani bi adwen yemfa ne se boy ya oda hoyi wo de yemfa ne se oye gay emre bia ni kroma e kire se oye gay ebo emre bia ni kroma e kire se gay ye jitum ana yanyintum ana etia mra enti abrante no owo ne right se so nante wo man no mu obi ye gay a unni ho right se wo kokote no kokobo no wo no ho munim se Ghana se oye gay mpo nanka mra tie mpo a ye tena ye de ne ko police station wonni right say obeso camera asi obi a oyi odi ne Trumu abraya hye mrati a wan ne maam kwan ana mra be na wo Ghana ho kire say so obi di ne Trumu a ye nworo no ho ye ntwa ne na dagya mfonyi ye mposti kwa abonten enti say na sa mra nte nwotwe ayɛ sɛ ɔmo kɔkye ne hyɛ baabi no deɛ na ɔmo yɛ ne nyina memfa so mo obia mo John Dramani Mahama na mo gye di sɛ ɔba ɔno deɛ ɔbɛba abɛyɛ adeɛ nyina pɛpɛɛpɛ Trumu Trumu Akufo-Addo ntumi nsan no ɔno deɛ ɔba obesan den na mekaayɛ ɛnyɛ ne da hɔ no Trumu Trumu meka kyerɛ mo sɛ John Mahama bɛba ɔntumi mfa ne nsa nsi krataa so manka mo se manka ɛnɛ Sam George wɔ he Sam George ne n'asefo wɔ he onipa na wɔbɛtena akonnwa so ma me kɔfa ne video ɔde sɛ Andrew Solomon ɛma me hwehwɛ mu kyerɛ sɛ Andrew Solomon nadamfo Andrew Solomon wɔyɛ ɛyɛ wɔn America news wɔn ani a wɔn nadamfo Trumu Trumu ɛne ɛyɛ John Mahama a photos nyinaa bɛba abɔnten mo deɛ mo te onipa ɔka no kora mo mpɛ sɛ nka yɛ Kevin Taylor ne NDC fo ebi ɛna konya Akufo-Addo mu photo a wɔn ne Trumu Trumu bi dampa so na wɔn mu nyinaa dampa baako so twa photo nka nsama nkɔfo we bɛka sɛ da bia meka kyerɛ mo sɛ yɛka sɛ obi yɛ jandama a guy name of propaganda da bia meka kyerɛ mo wo pɛ wɔn mo hyɛ propaganda ase and ne guy name edi jandama ɛnyɛ NDC ahwanya ɛsi edu nketea na ne yɛ ɔmo secretary ɛwɔ jandam mu adeɛ ne ba na eti sei na wakɔhyia me sei wo de opa firi sɛ hwia kontomra bra besne kɔ ɔde sɛn Togo hyia so ye ne Togo fo hyia so sɛ nipa ne te aka one step amena si Burkina aka one step amena wura Togo wo de obɛkɔ no NDC fo mo ɔmo nyina ɔmo kasa yɛ baako sei obia no nane adentia propaganda secretary si edu nketea etimi frɛ boa ɔmo nyina no ɔmo yɛ meeting wo phone so ka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ asɛm na aba ne sɛ netie mo nyina mo mmɔden sɛ mo kɔ a mo ano bɛyɛ pɛ ɛnɛ obia ba nteɛ kamakama wo ɛne yɛakye no aworo ne ho nyina ne hwɛ ɛbɔ ne to sɛ ɛteɛ nie na yɛbɔ nnwoma no sɛ ɔnsa ɛyɛ na John Mahama wo baayɛ adeɛ ho hia a wode yɛ campaign a wɔ nkurɔfoɔ nyina gyina sɛ sɛ nkɛyɛ wanka wɛsan deɛ asa na meka kyerɛ mo ɛma na ano mekɔkɔtwe photo bɛkyerɛ mo sɛ Akufo-Addo ne gyina abɔnten a ɔne nadamfo yɛfrɛ ne sɛn nadamfo ne yɛfrɛ ne sɛn pa mo kyɛw Akufo-Addo ne nadamfo John Mahama. There was a photo. I wish I could see this photo. Nanka menfa nkyerɛ mo for once. Nanka mo we. Patch of here. Here it is. Check this one. Okay. Akufo-Addo na nadamfo ne gyina hɔ no. Wɔn mo nya atamfo. They know what they are doing. School of politics na kɔkɔ sua adeɛ kakra. That is the game. Politics. Onipa wagini yi mesrawo. Ma wadwene mmerɛ fie kakra. Ɛyɛ mo nwene ntra ne yɛsɛ sɛ mo dwene kakra ɛnyɛ gyimifoɔ mo de emotions ne kasa gyimi nti adeɛ no ni da hɔ abie NDC na NPP yɛ namfoɔ a ɔmo yɛ maame baako mma ne ɔka to ne nua so John Mahama enum asɛm nti mo pɛ sɛ mɛsa mo nkyerɛ mo biem ɔno an enum asɛm John Dramani ya wɔgyina wɔ ne enum asɛm se politics na saa na teɛ abusua wo pɛ na wa ni ntro kakra unya nti ne ɛteɛ ne sɛ wodi ntro kakra ɛwɔ wo promising mu na wa ka no kora nso kakra mpacho me ba me yesi nso ntumi bɛ ɛsɛ wo ka hyɛ wɔ sɛ be ya obenya nipa na adwene sɛ yɛ me na me kan yanka mo di matem sɛ akɔwɔ yɛ trofo president muase ɔpa akonwa agye sɛ odi ntro ansa na wato ama no sɛ mo da so di n'akyi mo nya Kwasia mpafo nya mmoa saa de wei yɛ ka ne he you can't hear. Lennox, I do say, Ohene, please, have you seen the Ghanaian woman kidnapped by Nigerian men? It's sad. They have stripped her. Debbie. And when ya Ghana for young fanyamo, and near ma, Ecoson, me kofa Libya, a witness it near ma, and mama can't tremo. Minim Ghana for na omo wasaba. Omoke oi mama kan sem bi nkyerɛw Nigeria fo no ade na omode ye Ghana fo no mom pay back wate mom pay. I know this guy oye Ghana ni a oye pepe ni boy me ref ne fini din this guy etime be boaboa Nigeria fo ano wɔ ne camp wase boys ne de ne ka wɔne arafo na ye adwuma wa kidnap wo mo. Don't forget, some kwan me fast ko any kwan fast dwane efiri Arab fo nsem enti nipa na ye frɛ no Lukman mpacho mo a na monim bra tietie tuntum bia ye frɛ no Lukman na nadamfo ene eyi sa boy we kura me refi ni din kakra boy we me refi ni din no oni boy bi ye frɛ no Tawia na omota ba Lukman mo ho ma men kan sam kyerɛ na pepe ni boy bi wo ye tietie tofu bi sa me refi ni din boy wait me kidnap Nigeria for na sen we si bu wo mo ade ba kye anopa me Ghana ni me call camp wo no esan se me ne o mo kanti me nya akwa wo mo se ne ya lock na ya lock Nigeria for wo dem o mo nya kwan no ma pia ko baabi wo nipa da se ni kutatuo na ye de agade sa ankrofo no nti me na me call ye na me ne obi aka na afa de me mitumi pia bonten freely ekọ me bunsuo me ye den amo mo ne ade o mo nya bibi afa de na me boa wo mo nti isemi pia bontia no masere me se twade we breyen because omo ye prison na ukotwe nipa ye de waya abu om make Ghana for na ye Nigeria for so Nigeria for so camp a omo so atumi anya Ghana for akidnap om me say Africa ya na me hwe mo bi se ya ne se ne bosi dwen na mo ho ye me mobo minya kwanya di Ghana so 4 months enipa bebre mu hu asase so biem because the level of mujimi no etuo ne eyi na ese ye de nane free mu adwenim na nka mebo nipa tim tom me kum nipa fa because mo adwene ne nya adwuma san kwasefo we ni se ma motenase me nya akwanya sanka me be di Ghana so aye Ghana mampanyin ade anka me ye no ka baji wi asensem make cha Ghana aye ni yiye na me ma nipa freedom se ne mpa because Ghana for freedom nya mamo man torobosia freedom nye emma Ghana for mom peboko Ghana for peboko lady no ma chino mo chino me betena tiemu na Ghana for we emadwuma me ba che o mo hwa Minister for Foreign Affairs no omo ho ye den kosesi akokodu Libya busuafo amotie me Libya for emfa ho se wo man no mu no wonye bone me kan wo mo kwan ko bi man so o mudi o mu hu ne ye Ghana for Ghana for o de ma me fa Libya nya mfa nto ho nkyerɛw Ghana for atukwa ko Libya no adwumaden ko a wo bon so okọ ba bia na okọ akọpetwa di wo bon se Ghana ni pushi ko ba bia na ma no titru na America ye good site 24/7 patchable of no so ma renfi ye good site ye adwuma from Monday or the Sunday numerous akokosi yawoda numere yawoda takum day inti no se what na kakra dia yawoda bia no Libya ye se takum day na wa hona wa haidan si ewo kromo no abesen ewo new site na mo de dadam motom uncompleted building no mu ye plaster mu no ho ne ye da empoma kwa na no pono na no na wo twayen wo wie pe ya woda nyumre no aba bese no amakramu e de taxi aba be fawo wote wo ka mo kura free site go fi kura so ya amane ne ayam hihie nipa bonfo timi hia mo kwan so ye mo basa na ukohwa amane ankrofo famu
tira wadwe mame e wo comment section Penyah blog media